hello there. I'm pretty excited to be coming to you today because Auxito LED, much like some of the other automotive channels you already know and love, they approached me and asked if I would test and review some of their bulbs. Their timing could not be better because these Fin Lion bulbs that I installed in August of 2021 with Cash's help, and you can check out that video right there, they're dying. They look great, but of the 4 chips in each bulb, 2 are dead. And so it wouldn't be fair to do a brightness comparison, but these Auxito LED bulbs just came in and they look fantastic. They have a 2-year warranty. Let's take a look at what's in the box. I'll tell you what, this is awesome. These are like metal. These are heavy. The headlight bulbs are even heavier. I'm still waiting for encoders for those, but these are awesome. This is all metal. This is metal. This is plastic, of course. Looks like a copper board that the chips themselves are mounted to. The wiring seems to be of decent quality. You can definitely do an installation video. It's pretty straightforward on these Patriots. On what's called a first-gen Patriot, like 2007 to 2010, the fog lights are kind of up in here. They're much larger and much brighter. In 2011, they moved them down to this location and a much weaker bulb, so they kind of suck. But on the bright side, see what I did there? The bulbs are easier to change and much easier to get to. Basically, we just go through this hole underneath here, reach in, unclip, so much like this one. We squeeze these tabs in and pull the bulb out, and then stick this one in and plug it in, and we should be good to go. There we go, got it. Aha. Out we come, and just unplug it like so. There's the old bulb. It is an aluminum housing, but really it has no heat sink, and I think heat is what kills these. There we go, that clips right in, perfect. The O-ring can really fight with fitting into the housing in the back here. There's the bulb, and basically we just have to make sure it's lined up and push it into place until it clicks. Just sometimes, oh, there we go, one click. There, that's it, it's in. So there we have it. The camera's really struggling. On our right, on the left of the vehicle, we have the new bulb, and on the left we have the other bulb, the right side of the vehicle. What doesn't really translate is that the inner half of that right-hand fog light is actually dark because the chips on that side and on the end of that bulb are out. So I think on road, this is going to be, my poor camera's having a hard time with this. On road, I think this is going to be an awful lot better. That's all it takes to install Auxito LED bulbs in a Jeep Patriot. I'm going to change out that other one, take it for a quick rip. I'll let you know how it goes. I do have headlights for this, but I'm waiting for the encoders to come. So once those come in, we'll be doing a really nice headlight upgrade to Wee Beastie as well. I'm really looking forward to that because Patriot headlights kind of suck from the factory. Holy cow, I'm not sure how well this is going to translate, but, oh, hi Lawson. Here we are. This is with the headlights on. Now this is with headlights and fog lights on. And this is just with fog lights on. I find that they provide a really nice edge-to-edge lighting on the road. It's going to be great when I'm on country roads. There's deer in the ditch and whatever at night. I'm going to spot them really well. These are amazing. These are much better than the bulbs I took out. The other bulb actually was even quicker to change, I think, because I'm right-handed, so I was able to get my mitten there a little easier. But, I mean, so far, super impressed. Longevity is going to be the key metric, I think, here. But I'm really happy with the brightness and the pattern and the quality of the parts themselves feel really good. They got a nice heat sink on there. I cannot wait to get the headlights in this thing. I'm going to drop a link down below in the description, so if you're interested at all, you'll be able to enter that code and you'll be able to save 15% off of your order if you decide to try out the Auxito LEDs. I definitely recommend them. They're awesome. Oh, jeez.